Okay, you guys, weeks 4 and 5 combined here. It was a very busy week because we moved in. Oh my gosh, I've never been so busy in my life, I don't think. So there's still stuff everywhere, but we're living here now. So one exciting thing is more light fixtures went up. I am so happy with this one. I really wanted like one of these kind of lantern light fixtures in the laundry room area, like slash entryway, because I think that they look so cute in an entryway, but didn't want it to look too farmhousey because that's not really the vibe we're going for. So I feel like this turned out really good, and it goes really good with the other light fixtures being all black and very simple. Oh, let's start over here. Pantry. So the pantry closet is a functioning pantry. So there is a ton of stuff in here. I do have an organizer down there that I plan on putting up eventually. I will do like a before and after kind of pantry makeover. And I have a whole bunch of food storage bins to make it all neat and very organized. But that will be for another time. And then into the powder room, the light fixtures in here. So that's the light fixture in the powder room. We got a mirror. I hung some little wall hanging on the wall. We are going to be getting, I still have to paint down here. We're going to be getting countertops very soon. There's a little sneak peek into Hayden's room. Thanks to some amazing friends that helped me out, we were able to get his bedroom all put together because the poor guy was sleeping on just a mattress for the longest time. Okay, and then as for the kitchen, you'll notice that it still doesn't have any doors. So I ordered the hinges. They were delayed, and when they finally got here, they were the wrong ones. I was so sad. So I ordered some new ones. Hopefully they'll be coming soon, but they'll probably be delayed too because, well, you guys just know how it is to order anything. Appliances are in. I can't remember if they were in last video. So we brought our appliances from our old house. We ended up having to order a new fridge because it was, get this, 1/16 fridge for this, like for this upper spot right here. It fit down here, but we couldn't get it in up there. It was a bad day. I cried. But anyways, we got a new fridge and it's really nice. And these videos are getting increasingly difficult now that we are in here and I have a toddler running around by my feet. Out and in. Tables here. I was so excited to get the table in because I just was so happy to get like a pop of warmth and wood grain and stuff like that to the house. Yes. And then I showed you guys the light fixture last week, and that's the clock hanging. I absolutely love it. It still has no batteries because we can't find the batteries right now. Oh, you got the floor mat on. Nice. So we got our microwave. So it's a Whirlpool low profile. So it's only about 10 inches high, like deep like this. So that, because we needed something very short to fit right there. If we would have got a standard size microwave, it would hang down too low. So hopefully we'll be getting that up soon. And then you guys, furniture. So we really lucked out with the furniture because everywhere was saying it was going to be like a month to 3 month wait for our furniture. And we found the stuff, all the stuff we wanted at Ashley's Furniture in Swift Current. So we were beyond excited. So I got the couch. Oh, this is the couch of my dreams. If you guys follow us over on our Instagram page at our 1979.dreamhome, I'll put it on the screen. I fell in love with this couch, but because of the legs, we thought it might not be good with 5 kids, but you guys just said switch out the legs, which I was like, why didn't I think of that? So we're gonna see how long these legs will give us life, and once they kick the bucket, or if they do, we'll exchange them. But they seem to be quite a bit stronger because they're 2 bolts that screw on rather than just 1 screw on the leg. So hopefully they can withstand the kids. And then when you're sitting on the couch, here is looking out. Oh, and I just love it. So we debated on getting 2 couches, but I like the idea of a couch and 2 chairs because then it doesn't block the view of the window and it keeps that like nice and open. And it's really nice for if you have people over, you can sit and coffee, and I just think it's a cozy space. So as you guys will notice, our cow picture is still up there, so we might be leaving this a TV-less room. I actually might be winning the war with my husband. So yeah, we'll see how that goes, but so far I think we're not going to be putting a TV in there. Back around. So all the closets all have handles on now, you'll notice. Don't they look so good? I really love how they turned out. So we're doing those throughout and in the bedroom. I'll show you Hayden's room from the other side now. So that's what his room looks like. And it's just very plain right now. We haven't done too much with decor or anything like that, but he has a bed. And then going down to Bo and Brody's room. So we have both the crib and bed in here now. It's a bit of a disaster, but yeah, I'm really liking how it's coming together. Right now, Brody's still in her crib. Just because new room, new bed, that seemed like a bit too much of a transition. So we're doing her crib. And then when Bo's ready to go in the crib, we'll transition her to her big girl bed, or sooner. But that's her bed, or their room. And then we have one closet door on and a bit of a mess in the closet, but I got some closet organizers, so I'll be organizing that in another video. And then the bathroom, the main bathroom, is still at a standstill with lots of stuff in it. So I'm half getting ready in here, half getting ready in the powder room, because there's no plug in here for any of my hot tools or anything like that. So it's kind of been a challenge. And then our room, Bo's still sleeping. He had a bit of a rough night. He was up quite a bit, so he's still zonked. I'm trying to keep him sleeping for as long as possible, but this is what our room looks like. Still, things are coming together. They're not quite organized. I got our closet organizers up. There's a bunch of clothes that I went through down there that I'm going to be selling. And yeah, we have to get closet doors back on there. Okay, going down in the basement now. We have an actual transition piece above our stairs, and I think it looks awesome. The walls are still a work in progress.
Mom.
Yeah. Hold my hand. So the boys' room over here, they don't have much of a closet, so stuff is kind of everywhere. Oh, and the beds are everywhere. So they have just this bit of a bar behind their behind their door. I'm also going to put a closet organizer up, and we're going to get a closet built, but right now they're living out of boxes and totes. Up, down. We got a freezer moved in. So that's what this room's going to be. It's just going to be a space for a freezer, maybe an extra fridge, and then this is the hot mess that I'm having to gradually work through, hopefully sooner than later, but I'm dreading it. And then, oh, you guys, this is so amazing and such a bomb right now, because this is the space for the kids to just be, and I love it. So their toys are everywhere, and I sort of don't care because it's down in the basement. We've been watching all TV down here. I got a guy to come take a look at this. He's going to frame it up. I was really hoping I would be able to do it, but I just do not have time for that. And we ordered an electric fireplace that will be framed up going in the bottom, TV up there. And then my husband's furniture. I so love his pick. I think it looks so good. I plan on making this a black feature wall in the future. And so yeah, I think his furniture is going to look really awesome down here. It does look really awesome down here. And this is such a man thing. So it has power recline and power headrests, and you can plug your phone into the side on both the couch and the chair. So I don't know if there's one on this side. Yeah, one on every side. So yeah, I was really happy with that too, and we were able to get that from Ashley Furniture in Swift Current as well. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you guys click my face to subscribe and click the bell to get notifications. That way you guys will know when I post new videos. I'll post 2 on either side here that you guys can check out. And stay tuned for next week's progress, hopefully countertops.